Hello everyone, this is Linda from Domiheat. Today I will do a comparison test between PVC encapsulated electric heating film and the ordinary electric heating film. The comparison test will be conducted from three aspects: installation convenience, waterproofness, and fire safety. Firstly, let's do the comparison test of installation convenience. Here is an ordinary electric heating film. When we install it, we need to use the metal clips to crimp the joint position and connect it with wires. In addition, these two wiring positions, including the position where the last part is not wired, need to be insulated with high-pressure waterproof glue and insulating tape. The arrangement and installation are more troublesome, and it is also more likely to have loose joint crimping and irregular installation. This is a PVC encapsulated electric heating film. All the wire connection and insulation work have been done before leaving the factory. When we install it, we just need to connect the power cord to the thermostat, and the installation are more standardized. Secondly, let's do the comparison test of the waterproofness. Let's put the ordinary electric heating film in the water. After a long time, the product will delaminate and bubble, affecting the safe of the product. However, when we put the PVC encapsulated electric heating film in the water, because its waterproof properties and the water will not affect the internal heating element, its waterproof performance is better than the ordinary electric heating film. Thirdly, let's do the comparison test of fire safety. I use a lighter to burn the ordinary electric heating film. As you can see, when the lighter is removed, the fire will not go out and continue to burn. Now we use the lighter to burn the PVC encapsulated electric heating film. As you can see, when the lighter is removed, the fire will automatically go out because the orange PVC is made of super flame retardant material and is very safe. Based on the above test, the PVC encapsulated electric heating film is superior to the ordinary electric heating film and is recommended to purchase. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me.